Good morning. Miscellaneous chapter 5, chapter complex number and quadratic equation, question number 7. So the question is solve x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. X square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get here a equal to a
is 1, b is 2, 3, c is 3 by 2.
b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 3 by 2. Minus 2x, so b equal to minus 2. Okay. So we know x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac
b square minus 4ac by 2a.
b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Put all the values of ABC. So x equal to d is minus 2. So minus into minus 2.
So 2
Plus minus under root b square, that is minus 2 whole square.
4
Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 3 by 2. C is 3 by 2. Okay. This divided by 2a, 2 into 1. 2 into 1 equal to x equal to minus minus plus 2 plus minus under root
4
2 square is 4 minus minus plus, that is 4 minus, and 4 into 3 12, 12 by 2 it is 6. 6 by 2. Okay. Now this means x equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus
2
6
plus minus root over minus 2 by 2.
by 2. Okay. And this equal to 2 plus minus root 2 I minus under root minus means I by 2. Okay. So hence x equal to 2 plus root 2i by 2 and x equal to 2 minus root 2i
2
by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 8. Solve 27x square. 27x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. 27x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a equal to 27.
B is minus 10, C is 1.
Minus 10, c equal to 1. So we know x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now put all the values of abc. So x equal to b is minus 10, so minus into minus 10 plus minus under root b square, that is minus 10 whole square, minus 4 into a is 27, a is 27 into c is 1.
1.
Is divided by
2 into 27.
2 into a is 27. Okay, so x equal to minus minus plus 10
10.
plus minus under root
Root over 100 minus 108.
10 square is 100 minus minus plus, so 100 minus 108. 100 minus 108
By 54.
Yes. X equal to 10 plus minus 100 minus 108.
Root over minus 8 by 54.
Okay, so equal to 10 plus minus root 8 means 4
Root
into
I.
2 root 2, no? 2 root 2.
Yes, sir, you can write.
4 into 2, that is 2 root 2 I divided by 54. Okay, now 2 common, x equal to 2 is common, so 5 plus minus root 2 I
Root 2I by 27.
by 54 first, right? Then 2 27 54. Okay, so this equal to x equal to 5 plus minus root 2 I divided by 27. Okay, so hence x equal to 5 plus root 2i by 27 and x equal to 5
5 minus 2 by 27.
answer. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 10. If z1 equal to 2 minus I, z2 equal to 1 plus I, 2 minus I and 1 plus I, find mod of z1 plus z2, z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 minus z2 plus 1. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so first to write z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1. Okay, now put the values of z1 and z2. So z1 equal to 2 minus I plus z2 equal to 1 plus I.
1 plus I plus 1.
Plus 1 divided by z1 equal to 2 minus I minus and z2 equal to 1 plus I. So minus into 1 plus I, that is minus 1 minus I. Okay,
Yes, sir.
minus 1 minus I plus 1 mod. So here I plus I and minus I cancel from the numerator. Plus I
So 4.
minus I and denominator minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1
2 minus 2I.
equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 4
So 4 by 2 minus 2I.
by 2 minus 2I. Okay, so this equal to, you can write separate, take separate mod, that is mod 4 divided by mod of 2 minus 2I, this, and mod 4 is 4 only, positive, divided by, use modulus formula, under root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square, modulus formula, under root x square plus y square. Okay, now equal to 4 by
root 8.
4 plus 4 equal to 4 by
4 by root 8.
root 8. And root 8 means
2 root 2.
4 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Okay, and this equal to 2 by root 2. 2 to the 4.
Yes.
2 by root 2. And 2 by root 2 means root 2. Because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Question is find the value of this. Okay. This is the answer. Root 2 is the answer.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see understood or not? See.
Yes, understood.
Written.
Yes, sir.
Question.
No, sir.
Next question number 11. If a plus ib equal to x plus I whole square divided by 2x square plus 1, prove that a square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Question number 11. A plus ib equal to if a plus ib equal to x plus I whole square x plus I whole square divided by 2x square plus 1. Two x square plus 1. Prove that a square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the question.
Yes.
Start from given condition. A plus ib equal to a plus ib equal to x plus I whole square. So use a plus b whole square formula. Hello. So a
Square plus I square plus 2xi.
x square plus 2ab 2ix plus I square divided by 2x square plus 1. Okay. Then a plus ib equal
So
to
x square plus 2xi minus 1 by 2x plus 1.
x square plus 2ix, I square is minus 1, so minus 1 divided by 2x square plus 1. So a plus ib equal to separate real part and imaginary part. So x square minus 1
X square minus 1 by 2x square plus 1.
2x square plus 1 real part. 2x square plus 1. X square minus 1 by 2x square plus 1 plus I into 2x
2x by 2x square plus 1.
by 2x square plus 1. Okay, so comparing both
Yes.
sides, a equal to, therefore a equal to real part, that is x square minus 1 by 2x square plus 1
2x square plus
1, and b equal to 2x by
2x by 2x square plus
2x square plus 1. Okay, now see the question. Left hand side is a square plus b square, so write a square plus b square equal to left hand side a square plus b square. So a square plus b square equal to a is x square minus 1 by 2x square plus
by
1
2x square plus 1 whole square plus 2x by 2x square plus 1 whole square.
plus b is 2x by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, now x square minus 1 whole square right separate square divided by
Plus 2x whole square
square plus 1 whole square plus 2x whole square, that is 4x square, divided by 2x square plus
x
1.
square plus 1 whole square.
Okay, now do the LCM. So LCM is 2x
So
square
x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 plus 4x square.
Yes. So x square minus 1 whole square plus 4x square. Okay. Now a minus b whole square formula use. So a square,
X
that
to
is
the
x
power 4
to the power 4 minus 2ab
minus 2x square plus 1 plus 4x
plus 1 plus 4x square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now this equal to x to the power 4
x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1
plus 2x square plus 1 divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Whole square. Okay, this is equal to,
So we can write this as x square plus 1 whole square.
yes, because of formula square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square
Yes, sir.
plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. So the question right hand side is x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is the right hand side.
Yes, sir.
This equal to right hand side, hence left hand side equal to right hand side, and it is proved. Okay, see,
Yes, sir.
written everything. Clear?
Sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next, see, question number 12 is let z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to minus 2 plus I. Find real z1 z2 by z1 bar. Okay, bar means conjugate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to minus 2 plus I. Minus 2 plus I. Find real z1 z2 divided by z1 bar. Okay, so first you multiply z1 and z2. Now
So 2 minus I multiplied by minus 2 plus
z1
I.
z2 equal to 2 minus I into minus 2
Minus
plus
2 plus
I
I.
equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 2I minus 2I plus minus 4 plus 2I. Okay, then by minus I, that is minus minus plus 2I.
So minus 3 plus 4I.
2I plus minus minus I square. Okay, and this equal to minus 4 plus 4I, and I square is minus 1, that is plus 1,
Plus 1.
equal to
Minus 3 plus 4I.
minus 3 plus 4I. Okay, this is z1 z2. Now real z1 z2 equal to, that is z1 bar. Okay, so write z1 bar. First to find what is z1 bar.
So 2 plus I.
2 plus I, yes, conjugate. 2 plus I. Okay, now z1 z2 by z1 bar. z1 bar. Okay, this is question. So equal to z1 z2 means minus 3 plus 4I and Z1 bar means 2 plus I. Okay. Now both side multiply
Yes,
by
sir. 2
2
minus
minus
I.
I. So 2 minus I by 2 minus I. Okay. So this is equal to, first to multiply by minus 3. So minus 6 plus 3I
Minus 6 plus 3I plus 8I minus 4I square.
plus 8I minus 4I square divided by,
By 2 square plus 1 square.
it is 4 minus I square. Replacement A minus B, 4 minus I square. So this is equal to minus 6 plus 11I minus I square is minus 1. So it is plus 4.
Yes.
Plus 4 divided by I
By
square
5.
minus 1. So plus divided by 5. Okay. And this equal to minus 6 plus 4.
Minus 2 plus 11I by 5.
Minus 2 plus 11I divided by 5. And this equal to, you can write minus 2 by 5. Plus
Then imaginary is 11 5 by 1.
11 by 5I. Okay.
I.
Now question is real Z1 Z2 by Z1 bar. Real part only. So therefore real Z1 Z2 by Z1 bar. This equal to real part only. So real part is minus 2 by 5.
Minus 2 by 5.
Real part minus 2 by 5 and imaginary part 11 by 5. So question is real part. So minus 2 by 5. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.